husband wanted to go on a little date for lunch this afternoon, and I'm going to be out in that city anyway, and so it will all just work out. And there are a few things that I wanted to do today, which happens to be errand day anyway. So like I would love to go to TJ Maxx or Home Goods to find out if they have any more of those plates that I told you, you know, I just loved so much. So that would be one of the things that I do. And then we'll have lunch together, and then I want to come back home, of course, because I have a lot of other things that I wanted to do today. Something that I was thinking about was how I really need to call a couple of people back. I just have some friendships and relationships that I need to water today. So I need to make time to do that, just to talk to people and catch up, and you know, those little things that you could either, man, is somebody at the door? Okay, who's here? So I'm going to leave here pretty soon, but before I left, I wanted to make sure to get all of the clean dishes, which, by the way, Jorge washed those dishes today, and you know, before he went to work, because apparently there was a big mess that was made in the kitchen last night when I went to sleep or something. I don't know what all of that was about, but anyway, I put all of those away. So I also gathered all the towels. There were just a lot of towels like laid out, and then the washcloths and things like that, but it gave me the opportunity to then use this new, very festive one. I really like this one. I think it looks so pretty here. So anyway, I brought this little vase from the other house because I had a pothos starter in here that I was trying to grow, but without being there all the time, I'm not able to water it as frequently or just make sure that there's enough water in there. So anyway, I just really love this little vase, and I brought it back because we still have some roses out front, and I thought that I would clip a few. They're just looking so beautiful right now. I thought I'd clip a few and put them on my desk. And and then I was looking at this, our dish soap. I really need to get some more because now I'm out. So that will be something that I will get today when I'm out as well. So just a few errands to run today, and then coming back. And as I'm thinking of watering those friendships and relationships, I'm also thinking about my plants and the watering that needs to take place. And by the way, we went to that ACE event last night, and I got to meet the mayor, which was really nice. And anyway, when we were there, we got a discount on some things. I mean, it was like a different discount for different kind of items. And so I have some new additions of things that I wanted to share with you, things that I've been thinking about, like, for example, where am I going to store my bread? So now I have a bread box, which is right back there. And I already put my bread in it after I washed it last night. And then the greenery, which as of late, I've been using all of the olive branches that I've been cutting off from our plant in the backyard, but they just don't look great after like a day or two. So they also get kind of messy if the leaves start falling. So anyway, I wanted something that would be a bit more permanent, something that I wouldn't always have to think about, and that I can actually add other branches into this greenery. So I'll show you what the greenery looks like. I haven't taken the tags off yet. So here's the greenery that I found, and this came from Ace Hardware. Go figure. They had a lot of really neat things there. This particular Ace store just had so much, and I've never really, I mean, I've been into an Ace store in Cedar, but it was nothing like this particular one that we went into. So anyway, I just think that it can really be used pretty much all year round. I mean, you can have greenery in your house even in the winter, right? But if I wanted to add like some holly berries, or I was thinking if I find some holly berries, I might end up sticking some of those in there because I think that would mix well with it. And then also with the, it's kind of dark, with the poinsettias, I can't leave those out overnight because it just gets too cold and then they kind of start to shrivel a little. So I bring them in at night and then I put them out during the day. So I'm going to put those out really fast before I leave, but I need to get going and then I'll be back after my dates. Okay, I should probably put my little slippers on too. Okay, some of the leaves are falling off of there. Kind of cold out there. I'll definitely need to wear a coat. Today definitely did not go as planned, so I didn't get much more footage. But this evening I wanted to put the house to bed, and part of that was just, especially because I didn't get to water my plants earlier today, I wanted to make sure to do that now. I have other plants around the house too, and some of those I'll have to focus on tomorrow. But these ones just out here, I like to water them and just keep them in the sink for a little bit for them to drain. And then tomorrow morning I can put them back out and they won't be dripping or anything. And I do have catchers for the water and whatnot, but I also don't like water just to sit in there. So I just allow them to, drink up the water and then empty out any excess, and then I will put them out in the morning. So anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.